upon the plan to secure Jamaica, the government policy has been to reduce criminal violence, improve public safety, and strengthen the institutional and operational capacity of the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
One of the strategies applied by the Ministry of National Security is the modernization of its security architecture across all 9 agencies.
The programs and initiatives secure our borders, our cyber and telecommunication networks, our business, communities, and our families. The overall success of national security is contingent on the collective and coordinated effort of the entire national security architecture.
The JCF is better equipped to fight crime with irrefutable science as a result of upgrading to the Institute of Forensic Science and Legal Medicine. With increased DNA and ballistics analytical capabilities and a national DNA database, the force has been making an even greater contribution to the administration of justice.
For the set of trials that were scheduled in Home Circuit Court for 2021, my friend Minister of Justice, 2021 Easter term, the Institute has already completed its work and issued the ballistic certificates for 99% of the cases ahead of receiving requests. This tells us that the Institute of Forensic Science and Legal Medicine is responding in real time to the needs of its stakeholders. Furthermore, the work of the Institute has been very crucial to the reactivation and solving of several cold cases.
The capacity of the police force will move to another level with the construction of a state-operated autopsy suite for which ground will be broken later this year.
Forensic science is a new frontier of law enforcement towards swift and sure justice.
Going hand in hand with science is the suite of cutting-edge technology that is now available to our police officers. A smart check system installed in patrol vehicles provides real-time access to various databases.
This has allowed police officers to ascertain details on drivers, vehicles on our roads, and to check on persons of interest, stolen motor vehicles, traffic ticket warrants, and outstanding traffic tickets. With this capability, officers can act quickly and decisively even while on regular patrol.
Further to this, the electronic traffic ticketing management system will come on stream in June of this year. And that's not all.
The JCF microwave network has been upgraded and expanded, more than tripling its capacity and adding about 90 new links. The microwave system is built to be resilient and ensure connectivity to internet between all police stations. The 119 police emergency communication system has been upgraded to a new platform in order to handle calls from the public more reliably and efficiently. We got the use of the CCTV surveillance in conjunction with improved police communication. The mobility has contributed to increased agility, efficiency, and effectiveness of police operations.
Simultaneous with these developments are the upgrading of police stations under Project Rebuild, Overall and Construct, Project Rock. To date, 5 stations have been constructed and 101 renovated. In this financial year, 3 new stations will be built and another 14 renovated. Adding to the renewed working conditions is the establishment of domestic violence intervention centers at designated stations.
In the coming months, we'll have an entire cadre of police officers who are sensitized and attuned to all forms of intimate partner and family violence, and who are adequately prepared to take mitigating steps.
Operations at police stations will be further enhanced with the introduction of a suite of new automated station management systems this year. These will replace the station diary, otherwise called Big Book. To increase manpower, approximately 1,000 new recruits are targeted this year and 1,500 in 2022.
The drive towards sustainable reduction in criminal violence demanded an aggressive reorganization and modernization of the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
The Ministry of National Security will be piloting several pieces of legislation that are critical in bolstering public safety and citizen security. Among the legislation being piloted are the Criminal Justice Suppression of Criminal Organizations Amendment Bill 2021, the Firearms Licensing Act, Trafficking in Persons Act, the Corrections Act, and regulations for the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Agency, MOCA.
Legislation creates an environment for law enforcement to be able to arrest criminals, bring perpetrators to justice, and ensure the penalties that are associated with criminal activities are commensurate with the egregious nature.
The government has engaged 3 strategies as part of efforts to reposition social investments and to rethink crime prevention programs in communities across the country. A business advisory group comprised of all permanent secretaries and heads of relevant government agencies is responsible for interministerial coordination and collaboration around social investment for community transformation.
We are conducting the necessary baseline assessments. Data is critical. Gathering the requisite empirical data that will inform the social investment program.
And this will guide a third component, introducing relevant activities to a targeted population.
While it is the role of the police to save lives, sustain reduction of criminal violence must be a whole of government, all of society approach. We must facilitate a process of behavior change among our people in order to reduce the prevailing culture of violence that underpins much of the criminal activities in our country.